Hello, I'm Lieutenant Kenneth Brewer. I'm a pilot on the NOAA King Air and also the Aircraft Operations Center Program Manager, coordinating the support of the 2024 Bering Ice Seals Project and the 2025 Ice Seals Survey.
And I'm Erin Moreland. I'm a research zoologist with the Alaska Fisheries Science Center, and my responsibility is to lead the aerial survey effort for ice-associated seals off the coast of Alaska. Ice seals are really important as a subsistence resource and also as a cultural resource to Native Alaskan subsistence communities throughout the Alaska coastal regions. And these species are actually co-managed by NOAA and representatives from these communities. So we survey ice seals using aircraft because they are really broadly distributed species.
The Bering Ice Seals Mission and the Ice Seals Survey are Marine Mammal Protection Act surveys for conservation and population health evaluations throughout a range of species. The crew consists of members of the NOAA Alaska Fisheries Science Center, NOAA Fisheries Alaska Regional Office, NOAA Aircraft Operations Center pilots, and members of the Alaskan community, specifically the Ice Seal Committee. This is the first use of the NOAA King Air for this mission and was specifically selected because of its capabilities. The cabin is outfitted with camera bays carrying multispectral aerial imaging cameras in addition to equipment racks required for the new AI-based systems.
It's a fairly complicated system, and the NOAA Aircraft Division has been really instrumental in helping us get that system integrated into their light aircraft. The King Air is a pressurized plane which allows us to fly higher to some of these more remote areas, and then we can drop down below the clouds and collect the imagery that we need. So it's really expanded our capabilities and our ability to survey this area.
The flight profiles for the King Air are conducted at 1,000 feet above sea level, transiting at 200 knots and surveying at 150 knots into the Beaufort, Chukchi, and Bering Seas, up to 350 miles off the western and northern coasts of Alaska.
So one of the tricky elements to conducting aerial surveys over a habitat that's actively moving and melting during your survey is being able to account for that changing habitat during the course of the survey effort. So the night before a flight, we have the pilots really digging into the weather data and figuring out where we're going to be able to fly, and we have the scientists looking at the sea ice imagery and figuring out where we need to fly, and then we work together to figure out what's going to actually work to collect data.
Arriving on station, we decrease our altitude, activate the cameras, and fly preset flight lines. The multispectral camera system works by having 9 cameras capture images in infrared, visible, and ultraviolet wavelengths. Scientists then use these images to train an AI model to detect the heat signatures of seals on the ice, which are more distinct than their visual profile. The geotagged data will ultimately be used to estimate abundance, how many, and distribution of ice seal species.
When we first started looking at the thermal imagery, it took us over a year of having a team of people to find animals in the images, and being able to implement artificial intelligence models, and especially being able to use them in the plane, has increased our efficiency by orders of magnitude. It's really been instrumental in improving the efficiency of our surveys, and there's a lot more information in those images than we currently extract.
This is the first year that the multispectral camera system has been fielded on the NOAA King Air, thanks to the engineering and sheet metal teams at the NOAA Aircraft Operations Center, who designed the new mounting system that is interchangeable between both the Twin Otter and the King Air airframes. With this technology now tested in long-range light aircraft in 2024, it is now fully operational for 2025. NOAA scientists are now able to complete the most thorough surveys for ice seal species in U.S. waters, improving our understanding and management of the subarctic and Arctic regions. I hope you enjoyed learning about the 2024 Bering Ice Seals Project and the 2025 Ice Seals Survey. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website.